Your video sounds flat? Let's fix that. If your scene feels lifeless, it's probably missing one thing: background ambience. In this video, I will show you how to add a video to sound, design a custom ambience in under 2 minutes and get perfect results ready for your edit in Premiere. Step 1. Import your video. Start by dragging your video straight into video to sound. This lets you design sound perfectly in sync with the visuals. Step 2. Audition the results. Whether it's a forest, city, street, or environment of a house, video to sound gives you layered mix, ready background to match anything. You can use this as it is or tweak layers to build your own atmosphere. Step 3. Export from video to sound. Once your ambience feels right, export directly from video to sound. You will get a clean, high-quality mix that's ready to drop into Premiere. Step 4. Import to Premiere. Sync and mix. Now bring that file into Premiere timeline. Align it under your scene, your dialogue or visuals, and you will instantly feel the difference. Design faster with video to sound. You just created professional background ambience in under 2 minutes. Use video to sound to design the world your story deserves. Try Krotos Studio Pro and start designing your own background ambience today.